Sansiangao, and let me present to you and discuss to you the processing user input and basic data manipulation. So let's get started. So what is processing user input? This refers to how a program collects and uses information provided by the user during program execution. So meaning samtang nag-collect siya og any data from the user while program is running. So mo na siyang gamit. For example, asking name, age, or a number that they want to calculate with. So mo na siya si processing user input. Now, what is a basic data manipulation? So once input is received, you usually perform operations or transformation on that data. So, say basic manipulation daw is just like adding numbers, combining strings, converting between types, and changing text. Mo na siya ang basic data manipulation. So, now, let's proceed here. The example for Java program Java example for Java programming language. So here's the quick tips for how to code a user input and data manipulation. So let me show you. In here in VS Code, we have here the Java. So first thing is we must put the scanner class. Import Java details dot scanner. Ano siya? Tapos, in here, the second line is public. Public class and say main and public static void na siya. Static void void name string arg tapos scanner tapos new scanner system int there. What we do here from the first line atong gibuhat sa first line, so mo ni siya ang scanner class from Java mo siya. Tapos is allow program reads inputs from the first line, tapos from the sa tulo ka linya padulong sa fourth line mo ni siya ang defined nga mo ni siya ang starting point sa program. Then sa the fifth line is mo ni siya ang scanner object niya. So it tells the scanner to read from the keyboard. Ano siya. Then here, let's go print. So system dot out, then print, then enter your name tapos string scanner, tawag ko na po ni na siya si scanner. Tapos next line. So dire from the seventh line nagkuanda dire nag-prompt tag message without moving to the next line. So prompt user lang gyapon ni siya. Tapos sa walo nga linya is nagtawag na siya sa iyang variable nga atong gihatag. So string is a store of type of user store. in each string variable called name. So man siya gitawag na siya name. So ito ba akong pag-explain? So let's continue from the sa line 8 string name equals scanner next line. So kaning is string is full line text ano siya by user to store a string. So ano siya dra from. So let's build here the system again. Print na siya pag ning ani is nagprint lang kang text without moving to the next line. Ano siya? Enter. Tapos, let's say, here, enter your age. So, here. No. Tapos, age man ang gitawag. So, atong, dili na siya tawag string. So, age may gipangayo. So, let's say, integer atong gamiton for na ay siya ay value nga number. Integers man ang gipangayo. So, ay siya. Then, after ana, it's completely na okay na itong scanner input by using any data types na siya. So, here, data in. So, what we have here is all the process of user input by using data manipulation. So, mo ni siya sa Java. So, let's prove nga Java bagito siya. Let's go run through with it. Okay. So, let's enter and 19. Here's the program right now. So, that's for Java. And now, let's proceed for the Python programming language. So, Python, let's say Python. Python is very short lang yung mga syntax on it. For example, here, name equals input, tapos enter your name na dahil na siya. Then age, ang age kay integer, tapos input na ba siya for built for scanner. Then ay siya. So let's go run. Find debugger. Let's just wait lang muna. In here, 19 and end of the program. Ano yan? So that's it all for how to manipulate data and basic data manipulation for processing user input. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.